cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank, do we have the product for you. In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut taillight tint, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Mercedes-Benz GLS, and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how taillight looks before doing the installation. And this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire taillight lens. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're able to remove all the contaminants with just the slip solution, you should be good. However, if you still have any remaining contaminants, let's say any wax, oils, grease, or some type of coating, you can use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. And you're going to need a clean microfiber towel as well in order to remove all those contaminants. So first, spray your slip solution to the lens, and with your clean microfiber towel, start removing all the contaminants that the taillight may have, and also clean around the surrounding area, just in case if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else on the body, it doesn't catch any contaminants. And then once we're done with the prep, we can start with the installation. So we're going to start with piece number 1 here. So we're going to need slip solution first, apply it to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, we're going to start our alignment on this edge right here. So align the film right on the edge. So it should be aligned as close to the edge as possible. It does not wrap around the curve, so it only covers the face of the edge right here. Once you have it around the edge, grab your tack solution, spray it on the edge on the adhesive side of the film. Make sure it stays aligned. Help spread the fingers. And then spray tack solution on top. Grab your squeegee and start tacking it down slowly. Right here, we just need to secure this section here. That way we're able to stretch the film. It's not a big stretch, it's just the stretch is needed in order to remove these small little fingers here. So secure this section here. And if the film did get dry, just lift it carefully and reapply slip solution underneath. That way we're able to stretch the film. And once we stretched it up to the edge here, we're going to lift it carefully and then apply tack solution around this area. That way we can start securing it. So stretch up until the edge right here. And as you can see, all the fingers that we had here start to shrink. So hold it in position for a couple seconds, that way the film starts molding to the design of the curve of the taillight. Lift the film carefully here and apply tack solution on the edge. Place it back down. Hold it and tack it down. Spray tack solution on top, that way our squeegee is able to glide. Okay, so it should be like this. And with this one, keep in mind it's only covering the face of the taillight lens. It doesn't cover the inside gap here because the gap is too small to cover. So it only covers the face. So make sure to keep that in mind. Okay, and now we're going to grab our tack solution and apply around the fingers here, and then with a little bit of heat will help shrink these fingers. Okay, so the fingers that you see here and here, just apply tack solution, grab your heat gun. You can also use a hairdryer and apply heat where those fingers are located. That will help them shrink and tack them down. So lower setting on your device, and you could separate or split the fingers to make them smaller. That way they're more easier to tack down. And once we're done applying heat, we're going to grab our microfiber towel, wrap it around our squeegee, and just tack those fingers down slowly. You may need to hold your squeegee around the section you're tacking down for a couple seconds. That way you help flatten out the fingers. And that's pretty much it for this one. We just need to make sure to apply heat where we see those fingers, tack them down, and make sure there's no water bubbles underneath the film. And once we're done with this piece, we'll move on to this piece right here. Okay, so grab your slip solution, apply it to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And with this one, it's just more of just making sure everything stays aligned, securing it, and applying heat to seal the edges, and you're good. So make sure you just align it. Everything's being covered. We should be good. Grab your tack solution, lift it carefully, and apply it underneath and on top of the film. And just start securing the film to the tail light lens. It's that simple. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film, that way we don't have any water bubbles. And once you've made sure and double check that you're not leaving any water bubbles, grab your heat device, seal the edge, and then once we're done with this installation, you will repeat it to the other side of the tail light. And then once you're done, the last thing would be to post heat the entire tail light. So once you're done with the installation, the last thing to do would be to post heat everything. So you're going to need your heat device. You can use a heat gun or a hairdryer. Use the low setting. Apply heat evenly throughout the entire tail light. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. As we're applying heat, we're just going to use a microfiber towel just to help tack down those edges. That way the film doesn't lift over time, and also help remove any solution that may be trapped around those edges. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the tail light tints for the Mercedes-Benz GLS. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing your upcoming installation videos. And also, don't forget to check out our other pre-cut kits for the GLS. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.